Welcome to Guitar Club, my name's Dave, and in this 1 Minute Wednesday lesson we're going to learn how to play the E major chord. So we're going to play first finger is going to go on the G string of the first fret. Now you want to make sure that your finger is nice and arched so it's not getting in the way of any of the other strings. So just using the very tip of the finger to press down the string. Second finger goes on the A string of the second fret. Same again, nice arch on the fingers, using the tip of the finger as much as you can. And then the third finger goes on the D string of the second fret. And same thing, using the very tip of your finger to press down the string. And notice that I've got a nice arch on my fingers so they're not getting in the way of any other strings. At first, when practicing this, you can use your thumb around the back of the guitar neck and squeezing down. If you want to bring your thumb over the top, that's absolutely fine. But at first, probably best to get your thumb around the back, but either way, no problem, as long as you're playing it right. So let's hear how all those notes sound played together. So we've got top string down. So you notice this E chord starts from the very top string and we'd use all the strings. And let's hear how it sounds when we strum the chord all together. So there you have it, E major chord. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoy playing this E major chord.